If you think you might be dyslexic, you came to the right place. I have a little test for you with a couple of questions, and afterwards you have a good indicator whether you are or are not dyslexic. Hey everybody, my name is Arije. I'm a dyslexic in the field of education studies, and this little test I'm basing on a research study done with 679 participants. 32 of those participants were dyslexic, and they found 12 questions that identified dyslexics best. I'm going to ask you those questions, and if you answer yes to 6 or more of those questions, then that's a strong indicator that you might be dyslexic. However, this is not a replacement for a proper diagnosis. Okay, so let's get into it. Do you find it difficult to say the months of the year forward in a fluent manner? When you have to pronounce a long word, do you sometimes find it difficult to get all the sounds in the right order? Maybe you get, for example, mixed up with some of these words. Do you have difficulty telling your left from your right? Have you, for example, told somebody, okay, let's go left here, and then you actually went into the other direction? The next question would be, does it take you longer than you should to read a page of a book? Do you remember those? That's a multiplication table. And the question here is, did you have trouble learning them at school? I definitely know that I did. Maybe this is something that you still find difficult today. Now the next one would be, when you use a phone, do you tend to get the numbers mixed up when you dial? Do you mix up dates and times and miss appointments? Does it ever happen to you that you stand on the bus station and you mix up the bus numbers, like 95 and 59? Okay, 4 more questions to go. When you write checks, do you frequently find yourself making mistakes? And the next one, obvious but very important, do you find yourself making a lot of spelling mistakes? Do you find it difficult to take notes while you are on a phone call and then to pass these notes on correctly to somebody else? And lastly, do you find forms difficult and confusing? Okay, well, I answered yes to 8 of those questions, and I do have an official diagnosis. If you want to do me a favor, then give this video a like and share it with somebody. One more thing, if you want to dive into this question a little deeper, but you're not really ready for a real diagnosis, what we can do is you can sign up for my email list. I'll send you a PDF, and in it you'll find the steps that I would advise you to take if we would sit down and we would have some more time to explore this question of yours. Okay, I hope this was valuable to you, and see you in the next video.